Good afternoon, students. I am Dr. Manju Saroj. I am coordinator of BSc Physical Science. So we are starting with this small presentation. Tarini is president of BSc Physical Science Union. She will introduce you with a few things of college. Okay? तो
Okay.
अगर आपकी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आप एंड में पूछ सकते हो. प्रेजेंटेशन खत्म होने के बाद आप लिख लेना बीच में, उसके बाद आप पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है? Okay, start, Tarini.
Yes, ma'am. So good afternoon, everyone, all the teachers and all the new students. Welcome to Gargi College. I am Tarini from third year. I'm also the president of Zenith. We'll tell you what Zenith is. And you guys just attended the college orientation. So I'm just going to go over everything once more, just to give you a whole idea of the college. Because you know about like the times are very unfortunate, but we'll try our best to give you the complete college experience. So as you must have seen in the college orientation, Gargi was started in 1967, and it started in one of the buildings in Lajpat Nagar, and now it is on Siri Fort Road. And it's one of the top colleges in DU. So congratulations everyone for joining Gargi College. And welcome to the physical sciences course. So in physical sciences, you will have PCM as your main subject. So I'm just going to go over all the places in our college. So the first is the entry gate, as you can see. So you cannot enter the college if you don't have an ID card. Even if you have been in the same college for 3 years, you will still not get entry if you don't have an ID card. And hopefully when the college will start, they will also take your temperature, and masks are compulsory. And then you have the main arc of the college where Gargi College is written. This is the main spot of this is starting part of the college. So all the group photographs and all the everything happens here. So this is the main point. If you want to meet someone, you can just call them and say that come to the main arc. And then these are the other places like the sports ground and the art square. After that, there's also the auditorium. So all our events happen in the auditorium. And this is also the place where the Wi-Fi connection is good. And then is the science squad where you will spend most of your time because you are in this PCM physical sciences course. And then there's the library. For the library also, you will have to issue a card for which the procedure we will tell you. You cannot issue any books from the library without the card. And then there's the botanical garden where you can go and sit there and have a good time with your friends, talk to them. And also, there's this red wall in our college where you can take some really good photos. And other than that, there's the canteen and the labs. The labs are very important because you'll have 3 labs in all in over the course of 3 years. There's physics, chemistry, and maths. So you'll have labs for all of them. So labs are important. And now I'm going to hand over to Anjali to explain about our course.
So good afternoon, everyone. I am Anjali Lomas from PSC third year. After having a great travel tour through the college, let's get into the class and know about the courses we need to study during 3 year of course you have opted for. So we have 3 main courses offered by our course, that are core courses, elective courses, and ability enhancement courses. So let's directly come to the thing the students are most worried about, that are marks. So to simplify this doubt, the grand total of our marks which we have to face is 150 marks, in which 100 marks are for theory and 50 marks are for practicals. In theory, 75 marks are for theory paper, which are conducted at the end of every semester by our college, and 25 marks are for the internal assessment, which will be taken by your respected teachers in form of assignments or class tests or maybe projects. The next 50 marks consist of the practical consists of 25 marks of internal assessment and 25 marks of final practical test. Internal assessment will be taken during the lab time by respective teachers who take your labs, and 25 marks of final practical test will be taken on the practical day test, which is scheduled by the college. And the test will include the viva, the theory the written theory which you have to write during the practical, and how you do the practical also takes the marks in that 25 marks of internal assessment. All of this sums up to make your 150 marks, which applies to all the core subjects that are physics, chemistry, and mathematics. These are your core subjects. We also have 2 ability enhancement courses in our college, which are compulsory. First, we have environmental studies, that is EVS basically, which you have studied in your school. And second is English communication, which will help you to enhance your communication skills. You will learn how to write a CV in this course. You also will learn how to face an interview. All this thing will be taught to you in this English communication subject. And this semester, you have English communication as your enhancement ability course, which is AECC. Next, these papers are of 100 marks. You don't have any practical for these papers. Then we have skill enhancement courses, that is SEC. You will study these courses in your second and third year basically. Now you don't have to worry about this. Just it's your first year, so just concentrate on your core subjects and your ability enhancement subjects. And the detailed syllabus can be viewed on the college website, which you can download it and you can study, or your teachers will provide you with the syllabus which you have to study this semester. This is your timetable, as you are attending the classes online, so this timetable will be shared to you virtually. Also, the timetable is completely followed and the teacher follow the timetable very strictly. Your classes will be from 8:40 sharp to 5:50. The classes will be from 8:40 to 5:05, and the links will be shared to you on your virtual handles, where you can join the link and the teacher will take your class. All the notes, everything will be done virtually till the guidelines come from the college or the university. Till now, everything will be virtual. So you can check your timetable and join your class on time, and you can enjoy your classes with your class teachers. And it will be a great fun for you to know your teachers, learn new subjects, and you will enjoy how the classes are taken in college virtually. It will be little different from what you have joined or maybe you have taken in your school, but it will be a great fun.
These are some of the teachers that would be taking your first semester classes. In first semester, you have 4 subjects, PCM, and most probably you will have English as your 4th subject. Now you have labs in chemistry and physics. So right now we are taking virtual labs, but when you go back to college, there's some certain rules and regulations of a lab that you have to follow. Like you have to always carry your lab coat in the chemistry lab, and you have to always be on time, and you have to always maintain an auxiliary notebook. So now you have 2 things. One is the practical file and one is the auxiliary notebook. Auxiliary notebook is the one that you make notes in and you write the whole procedure in. And the final file is where you do the entire experiment, like in order. So these are few things that you will come to know, like as and when the classes happen. Right now we are taking virtual classes, but hopefully we will get back to college pretty soon, and then you will have your labs like normally so you can take down the numbers of the teachers. They're mentioned here if you want to contact anyone for any difficulties, and with time you will get to know your teachers as well, and you will have a good rapport with them. So these are the tentative dates for the first semester. This was also on the college orientation. So like as you know, your classes will start from tomorrow via Google Meet classes, and then as and when you'll come to know what all happens. Now I'd like to invite Vanshika. She's the Vice President of Zenith, to explain something about the college events.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vanshika Sharma from PSC third year, and now I'm going to present you all the events that are held in our college. College events are there to have fun, to know your college more, and learn something different except the studies. So we have freshers party. As you all know, it is conducted for all the freshers, so they can interact with each other, know everyone more. But unfortunately, this year we can't have it for you, so sorry for that. And then there's Gargi Olympiad, in which
We'll try
there
to
are
do
various
something
games.
virtually. We'll try to hold something virtually for the freshers. So just wait for
Yeah,
it.
and then there's Gargi Olympiad, in which there are various games, physical activities like kho, badminton, football, tennis, etc. You can participate in them. There are two fests that are held in Gargi College, that is Distatva, the Diwali Mela, which is usually held in October. And there are food, games, stalls, different societies perform. And you can also participate in the ramp walks or the different activities that are held. And a band is also invited. Reverie, the annual cultural fest of Gargi College, is one of the best fest in DU. It is usually held for 3 days in January. And you must have known that last year Zubin Nautiyal was invited. And the sports day, it's also for sports and athletic skills, to show your athlete skills. There are various games and different departments show their march past, parades, etc. And the scintillation is our department fest. We are the organizers of this fest. And different departments from the science, like chemistry department, zoology department, they organize different activities like treasure hunt, doodling competition. You can take part in them and can win exciting prizes and certificates. And the college day, it is celebrated annually every year. Like on our 50th anniversary of our college, we invited Honorable Dr. Pranam Mukherjee. And lastly, the farewell, which is given by the juniors to seniors. And this year we conducted it virtually for our seniors, like we posted their videos, photos on our Instagram handles. Now about the societies. Um, so societies are the place to show your uniqueness, to prove your identity, so that you can learn something except the studies. And there are many societies, like for arts, there is Glass Eye, the filmmaking society, Iris, the photography society. Like if you can take good photographs, can capture good movements, then you can take part in that. Use the Fine Arts Society to show your creative skills. Quizito, if you have vast knowledge, then you can take part in the Quizito, the quiz society. There will be auditions for all the societies, and there are different procedures. Messages will be shared in your respective class groups for the all this. Okay. For dance, there are three societies: Enliven, the Western Dance Society; Nazakat, the Indian Dance Society; and Sparks, the Choreography Society. So if your dance moves can make the audience root for you, you should definitely join the dance society. No, the societies are not compulsory to be joined, but I think you should join because it's fun to know the students of other department, college. Okay, so it's fun and you can learn something very interesting, except the studies, because college is not just about the studies. And you can have an overall personality development in college. Drama, there is also two societies for drama, the Kshitij and Upstage. For music, there are also two societies, Samranjini, the Indian Classical Music Society, and Euphony, the Western Music Society. For debating, there are two societies, Samiksha, the Hindi Debating Society; QED, the English Debating Society. Since you know that words are so powerful, words can create illusion as well as magic. So if you have power in your words, you should definitely join the debating society. There are two societies for writing also, the Illuminati, English Writing Society, and Anubhuti, the Hindi Writing Society. PMR, the Public and Media Relation Department, it holds all the fests like Reveries, Statva, and for the invitation of the celebs or brands which are coming to our college, they organize all the events that are held in our college. Okay. The placement and marketing cells are present in our college, which offer you internships and jobs. You can get registered, prepare a resume, and you can get a very good CV if you take part in that. If there's a company, then you should fulfill the requirements, the desired requirements, and you can get stipend or participation certificates. There is NCC then. NCC, as you may have known, that it is a voluntary organization, and they recruit youth cadets and give them military trainings. You can also get special quota for joining the army, armed forces after this. Then sports, as I have told you, you can have different sports like tennis, basketball, football in the college. NSS and Enactus are the societies for social work. NSS is National Social Service. Okay, and they start the donation drive like for newspaper donation. You can also join NGOs for weekly teaching students. Okay, and lastly, Avni, the Eco Club. It is for environment friendly drives. Like if you are an eco-friendly, like if you want to protect environment, then you can join Avni, the Eco Club. You can get a certificate for joining the societies, and if you have to miss class, if you need to miss classes for joining the society program, then you can also get pink slips, but there is no need to miss the classes. You can but you can't get pink slips for NSS.
Let's start with class CRs. As I'm the class CR of my class, so I can tell you how you can do the duties or how you can be a CR if you are willing to represent your class. So there are 2 class representatives which are chosen from each class, who act as a representative of the class when you, if in front of teachers or in front of the union members, if you want. Okay, so CR also informs you about the classes. Basically, if the teacher have send you the link virtually, and so it's the work of the CR to convey the message to you that the class is on this time, the teacher is giving you some, the teacher is calling you for the class. So all this work is of CR to contact the teacher and the students. Also the CR shares the notes or the syllabus, everything, anything which teachers want to share with the students. It's the work of CR to tell the students. Also CR collects and submits form of the class, basically forms like examination forms or library forms, or right now it's virtually, so the CR can help you filling the form, how to fill the form, or the things you need to fill, or you need to know how to fill the form. So all these things are to be done by the CR. And also the CR talks to the teacher and the union members, like if you have any query about any subject or anything which you are studying, any notes, so the CR talks to the teacher. If the teacher wants to tell you something about the class or the notes, the CR will talk to the teachers. Also, if you have any query, then you can tell the CR. She will convey your message to the teachers, and then the teacher can talk to the CR and your query will be resolved. Also, if the union members are organizing any event, so it's job of the CR to tell the students about the event, to know and to ensure that everyone participates in it. And that also CR also wants to talk to teachers to reschedule or postpone the class if they need. If you want that you need some break between the classes or something, you want a little break, so the CR can also request the teachers that our class wants some time or some break. So the teacher can, if the teacher allows, she can give you the break, or else the CR is chosen by the classmates only. You can have polling or voting in your class. If you are willing to be a CR in your class, you can give your name, then you can have a small election within your class, like through Google Forms, and whosoever wins be the CR. Also, you can change the CR after every year. If you feel like, no, I need to be the CR this year, or I want to be the CR, you can also give your name the next year. Also, you will get a certificate after every year of the class representative of your class. So if you are really willing to be if you want that, I want to be the class CR, you can give your name in your class and you can be the CR. It's just a normal Google form, like you can give your name, and like you are doing this is now virtually, so we have to take the elections through Google form only. If the college will reopen, then it can be a chit system or a voting or polling, anything, but now it's virtually though, so you have to fill a Google form, simple, and then the percentage will tell you who is the winner of that class. Yeah, that's not a big problem. That will discuss, you can discuss us on our chat groups if you feel to be the CR. That's not a worry. So I'll pass on to Vanshika. She will tell you about the Buddy project.
So there's a Zenith Buddy program. In this, you will be assigned a mentor, both a teacher and a student, and you can ask them any queries except studies and outside college. You can share all your problems with them, like they will help you with books, syllabus, copying up, time management, and any personal help. Like sharing my own personal experience, when on the first day of my college, I was a bit nervous, like you all. But the first person I met in the college was a senior. I showed her my timetable, and she very happily showed me the way to my classroom. So there is nothing to be nervous and to scared. Seniors are really very encouraging here and supportive, and also the teachers are very supportive. You can ask them anytime for any query, and they will happily help you. And now, Tarini will tell you something about the teacher mentors.
So this is the tentative list of the teacher mentors that you have. Now, if you have any problem with the teacher, with anything with the studies or books or where to find the PGs or anything, you can share it with your student mentor or to the teacher mentors. The details of the teachers, the contact details will be shared to you on your WhatsApp. And also, if you have any queries, like if you want to know, not even like related to the studies, if you have any problems because you've just like say you're not from Delhi and you've just come to Delhi and like you don't know the places around and you have like a lot of anxiety and stuff from being away from your parents and into in a new city, so it's always better to have someone who's a senior who can guide you around. So you can sign up for the buddy project. If you want a mentor from third year, we will ask you to give you a list of names. Then we can assign you one student mentor. But these are the teacher mentors. These are compulsory for everyone, and these are the tentative list. If there's any change in this list, we will inform you that as well, and we will send you the contact details of the teachers. So these are our teacher coordinators for Zenith. Dr. Manju ma'am, she's on the meeting with us, and also Divya ma'am. She's from Life Sciences. Life Sciences is also like a BSc program thing. So there are two courses in BSc program: Life Sciences and Physical Sciences. And you guys are in Physical Sciences. So yeah, for the student mentor, I was saying that you can send us a list. We will ask you when to send a list. Whoever wants a student mentor, they can. We will assign you someone from third year or second year. So they can help you with the books and with any difficulties you have. And these are other teacher members. You can contact them also for any difficulties. There's Vandana ma'am, Deena ma'am, she's in the call with us, and Shivani ma'am, Smriti ma'am, Taruna ma'am, Manpreet ma'am, she's from Maths department, and Chandrika ma'am. And these are our association members. So now, as you guys are in physical sciences and life sciences, you're automatically a part of Zenith. But there are also some post holders in Zenith that help organize events, and we make sure everyone is involved in all the activities that is happening. So these are some of the post members. You can contact me if you have any problems. There's Kajal from LSC and the other members as well. You can just see their photos here. And we also have posts available for the first years. There's executive member. If you want, you can take part in the elections. You can give us your names for the elections. We'll tell you when the elections will be conducted. So there will be two posts from first year, most probably. That will be of executive member. So you can also give your names. Other than that, we also have a creative team for which the elections are conducted just by looking at your artwork, and we will interact with you to see who can join the creative team. That also will be conducted in a few days. We will tell you when that will happen. So you can also contribute and join our association. But you're all a part of Zenith just because you're in physical sciences. No, you don't have to study bio. You just have physics, chemistry, and maths, and one more subject in each semester. So now you have 3 years. So there are 6 semesters in all. Each year has 2 semesters. So like you can get so yeah, so you will only have physics, chemistry, and maths, and one more subject in each semester. First semester you have most probably English. Next semester you will have EVS. That's the second semester. After that, the SEC, which is called the fourth subject, is called SEC, will be based on physics, chemistry, and maths only. Can you please change the slide? Yeah, as for the books and all, the teachers will tell you which is the author that you should go for, but you can go for any author. Also, you can also download the PDFs of the book if you cannot buy them. And once library reopens, then you will be issued a card, and then you can take the books from the library as well.
And also teachers provide you with all the notes that are sufficient you to study for your exams. Their notes are good, they're enough. We have also studied from their notes only. And because from books you need 2 3 books, and then you have to sum up all your notes and you have to make your own notes. So teachers provide you with no written notes. They cover up all the points and they are good enough to give you exam. You can score good marks after studying the teacher's notes. They're enough. Your teacher will provide you with all the notes. Don't worry about that.
Now I'll tell you something about the events that we have. So we hold events all through the year. So we hold competitions, webinars, and now we have webinars. Otherwise, we used to have lectures, and we have events all through the year so that every student is involved in something. And we encourage everyone to come forward and showcase their talents. And if you're good in dancing, music, art, anything, you can come in and tell us, and then we will help you and we'll tell you how you can showcase that, like join societies and all. So last year we conducted like a debate, we conducted a quiz competition, we conducted a lot of events, like also the face painting competition, which is like a lot of fun. And then these are competitions you can then you'll even get certificates for these competitions. You can even compare in these competitions. For that also you will get certificates. And then we had the Teachers' Day celebrations, and we also had like a virtual celebration for one of our teachers. She left recently, so we had a virtual celebration as well. So then there were lectures on nanotechnology and other lectures like one gender bias in science. So we hold lectures regularly, something that interests the students and something they can learn from. And then there was a sports day, which was one of the most fun events that we had. So we had March Past, and then we participated with all the other like um, all the other departments of the college. And then we had the Zenith Trivia, which was the quiz competition, and we also have alumni meet. We are thinking of holding one virtually as well, where you can talk with all the ex-students and realize career paths and all, where you can go because you've taken physical sciences as a course. And right now, yes, societies will be virtually, and you will have to enroll. Like they are, like they will have like 2 sets of auditions. If you qualify for them, then you're a part of the society. So each society will send their links and all for the auditions, and we will send them on the WhatsApp group. So everything, all the information you will get on your WhatsApp group. Then there is the magazine, Zenith Magazine. It's an e-magazine. This is so everyone who loves writing or even or like poetry or any form of writing, even your artwork, you can submit us. Their email is there. Their editor is Vipashna. You can like get your articles published. If you have anything to say, anything to write, please submit us your articles and your artwork. So they will be published, and once you see them in the magazine, you will feel very nice, and you will read articles from other people as well. And it can be in any language, any form of expression that you want to give us. So please take part in the annual magazine. Please contact us, and thank you. We try to be supportive, and also we like to bring out the talent in everyone, because like still school we are like very reserved and all. Now college is the place where you can showcase your talent, where you can find yourself, you can find the person that you are, and become a much better human being than you already are. So that is what we aim for here in college as Zenith, as like your seniors. We want you to come forward and start talking and become much more outspoken, and just for your overall personality development. So you can submit your articles by the email that's mentioned here. And then next slide, please. Now we would like to hear something from all of you. Vanshika.
It's a virtual introduction. We did a bit from ours to introduce you to our college and department to tell us to tell you something about what happens in the college, how it is, how the studies go on, and everything. Now it's your turn. Tell us something about yourself. We would like to hear from you the introduction or any queries, etc. Freshers, it's for you. Please introduce yourselves to us. Anyone?
Yes, if you are feeling shy to, if you can
Krishna,
just,
start trying to speak. Krishna.
yeah, just tell your name, what do you like, and
And where are
why
you
did you,
from? And where are you from?
where
Just
you
tell us
from?
this and one thing that you love, one hobby or something that you love doing.
Yes, anyone can say.
Anyone wants to volunteer to go first?
There's no need to on your video. You can on your mic and you can just say.
Hello, Dee. It's Trisha
Hi,
from
Krishna.
Faridabad.
Hello,
Hello.
Trishna.
I am from Delhi Public School. Matlab, I passed 12th from that school, and now I am in Gargi for BSc Physical Science program. I am good at dance, sort of. I think that, but we will check in auditions. Okay,
Sure, sure.
and
You can join your society. You can give the auditions. Else, we conduct talent hunt. You, if you have some talent, you can showcase there.
okay, Dee. And also, I want to ask Taimudi that she has messaged me for that WhatsApp number. I was not well yesterday, so I didn't
Yes,
respond to
I
your
had
message.
asked you.
So I had sent my WhatsApp number to you through messaging.
Okay, I'll add you on the WhatsApp group. Don't worry
Thank
about
you.
that.
Thank you, Dee.
And thank you for starting the introductions. We are glad to have you here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Anyone except Krishna?
Hi, I am Aarti from Rewari, Haryana.
Hi, Aarti.
Hello, Aarti.
I want to ask you that I like modeling. How can I join?
So we don't have a fashion society in our college as of yet, but we do hold ramp walks and all in all our events, like in Reverie or in Zistatva. We always have like some event related to ramp walk. So you can join that.
Okay, Di. I studied in Kerala Public School.
Oh, that's great.
That's a great school.
You heard that school?
Yes, I've heard of it.
In chatting, you are so supportive. I really like you. You three D.
Thank you, Aarti.
Thank you, Aarti. So nice of you.
I'm really glad to see all you three seniors are very supportive.
Yes, and we try to be. And there is a very strict anti-ragging law in our law. So there'll be no bullying, no ragging of any form in our college. And if you think you're facing anything, you can always reach out to your mentors, your seniors. You can always reach out to us. We don't tolerate it in any form. So you can always come to us and tell us if you have any problems. If anyone is like troubling you or anything, please come to us and we will sort it out.
Thank you, Di.
Hi, Pooja.
Hello, Pooja.
I am from Uttarakhand, but currently I am living in Haryana and I have studied in Delhi school. Yeah, actually, I want to join a society of a NGO. Then how can I join?
So we have NSS, we have Enactus.
Yes,
So
sir.
they help with
Yeah,
NGOs
actually,
and
I
all.
want to join NCC as well. How
Yeah,
can
you
I
can
join
join
them?
both. You can join both. You can join NCC as well as NSS, but make sure you have to give time to both of them. So you have to see how your schedule is.
So I have to put extra time, matlab,
Yeah,
except
like
our
see,
classes.
NCC, NSS में and NCC में like जाना भी पड़ता है. अभी they're not holding virtually, they're actually holding offline events. So देख लेना एक बार before joining.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Dee.
Hello, Dee.
Hi,
Hi,
Kajal.
Kajal.
This is Kajal Dishwal from Uttar Pradesh.
Hi.
So Kajal, tell me something about yourself. Tell me something you love doing.
I love dancing.
Oh, that's great. So why don't you
Then
audition?
the dance societies.
Yes,
The
yes, of course.
yeah. A message will be shared on your group, and then you will
Yeah.
get the link.
Tarini, actually, I am very nervous, but after seeing you, I feel very good.
That's very flattering, but yeah.
That's nice.
That's very flattering, but like, please audition for the for the societies. Don't be worried. Don't be nervous. Most probably it'll be online only, so don't worry about it. Just go there, just dance out. Even I love dancing, so I know how it feels just before starting the performance. So just don't be nervous. Go for it.
Okay, okay.
Hi, Daisy. I like poetry as well.
Just make sure you have anyway. Vanshika,
Thanks for being so supportive.
Vanshika, I think we'll go forward, and as and when we'll keep interacting with you guys.
Okay, so you can follow us on Instagram. We have Zenith Garkar account, and on Facebook also, YouTube also. So we give you updates of all the things which are happening in our society, in our association. आप वहाँ पे follow कर सकते हैं. You'll get to know everything which is happening in the society, and all the
I was going to
competition events which we organize. You can take part in it, and you'll get the certificates, participation certificates. Like अगर आप comparing में अच्छे हो, if you are good at vocal, then you can be a comparer. You can get a certificate. Also, you can take part in quiz or any kind of anything. You can take part in it, and you'll get the certificate. It's best to participate. One thing is that you get a certificate which will enhance your CV and which will help you in your further life. So.
Yes, and if you have an Instagram account, it is compulsory to follow our page as well.
How many of you are on Insta or FB? I think many of you are not there.
Hello.
Third year तक end तक आते आते हो जाए.
Yeah,
Hello,
I think someone's speaking.
Hello.
Hi Jyotsna. Can
Hi.
speak up?
My name is Jyotsna. I'm from Hisar, Haryana, and
Yeah.
I passed my 12th from Army Public School.
That's great.
My father is in Army.
Sorry, students, to disturb you, but now can I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Please, we're inviting you to speak.
Talk about, because this thing will not finish at least for months. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. This is Manju, ma'am.
Okay, student, let me introduce you once again. I'm your coordinator. Okay, coordinator means it is for all your official work. Okay, in each and every department we have a teacher in charge. Okay, and in BSc Physical Science and BSc Life Science we have coordinators. Okay, so you have, if you have any kind of like if you need any sign for of TIC for any official work, to process any application, so your coordinator sign will be required. Clear? And the coordinator have some other duties also, basically like to manage your classes and each and everything. So all the things will go smoothly. Maybe आप में से कुछ लोगों ने पहले भी मेरे से बात की होगी फोन पे जब आप लोगों का एडमिशन हो रहा था. So how many students are here? I think must be more than 35. तो कुछ स्टूडेंट अभी भी मिसिंग है, बट मुझे आपको आपका सिलेबस स्पेसिफिकली एक्सप्लेन करना है क्योंकि
Hello?
ये है.
Hello, Dr. Manju.
हाँ बीना.
Some student wants to know that if she can change the email ID. I think on registration form there is no provision to change, but for future work, all your classes you can have different email ID. There is the query
आप
from one
लोगों का
student.
एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म भरा जाएगा इस सेमेस्टर का, उस टाइम पे आप अपना ईमेल आईडी चेंज कर सकते हो. अभी जो आपने ईमेल आईडी दिया है मैंने देख लिया कि वो कुछ पेरेंट्स का है, कुछ और है, बट वो वाला ईमेल आईडी आप लोग अपनी क्लासेस के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते. आप सभी लोग अपना एक पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी बनाइए और उसको लिख लीजिए कहीं पे, उसका पासवर्ड भी लिख लीजिए जो 3 साल तक आपके साथ कंटिन्यू रहेगा. सिमिलरली विद द फोन नंबर। अगर कोई भी चीज, दोनों में से कोई भी चीज आपको चेंज करनी पड़ती है तो वो आपको विद टाइम, मतलब उस टाइम पे अपडेट करवाना पड़ेगा। तो इस टाइम पे जब आपका सेमेस्टर 1 स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, कुछ ही दिनों में आप लोगों से एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म फिल करवाए जाएंगे। जो एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म फिल करवाए जाएंगे वो ऑनलाइन होंगे, उसमें ईमेल आईडी जो होगा वो ही आपका लॉगिन आईडी होगा। तो इसलिए उस टाइम पे आप अपना ईमेल आईडी करवा सकते हो। एक गूगल फॉर्म हम बनाएंगे, वो गूगल फॉर्म आपको मिलेगा। आप जो भी नंबर से कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हो, फोन नंबर से, और जो भी ईमेल से कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हो, आज आप रेडी कर लोगे, आज शाम तक या फिर कल हम आपको फ्लोट कर देंगे गूगल फॉर्म। तो वो गूगल फॉर्म फिल करना है, सारे ईमेल आईडी और फोन नंबर मेरे पास आ जाने चाहिए, ठीक है। और भी कुछ उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन होगी नियर बाय जो कॉलेज में रिक्वायर्ड होती है। क्लियर? तो सबको अपने पर्सनल बनाने हैं, क्योंकि अभी क्लासेस भी स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी आप लोगों की, तो वो क्लासेस भी उसी से आपको ज्वाइन करनी है, आपके अपने ईमेल आईडी से। आपको एक गूगल क्लासरूम अटेंड करना, मतलब ज्वाइन करना होगा। जो भी टीचर होंगे, रिस्पेक्टिव टीचर, वो गूगल क्लासरूम अपना बनाएंगे, वो भी उस ईमेल आईडी से ही चलेगा, ठीक है। आर यू गेटिंग मी? यस नो बोल सकते हो।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है, तो ये बात समझ आपको तो समझ में आ गया। तो आप लोग अपने अपने फ्रेश फोन नंबर, फ्रेश ईमेल आईडी, नो ब्रदर्स का, नो किसी का भी, मम्मी का, पापा का, किसी का नहीं चलेगा, आपका अपना होना चाहिए ताकि आप उसे कंटिन्यू कर सको, ठीक है। तो एटलीस्ट इस सेमेस्टर में कंटिन्यू कर सको। नेक्स्ट लेटर ऑन आप कर सकते हैं चेंज, तो फिर मैंने तरीका आपको बता दिया किस तरीके से चेंज होगा। टाइम टाइम पे हम लोग आपके ईमेल आईडीज लेते हैं, और जब भी जो भी मतलब होगा फीड यूनिवर्सिटी के, उसमें जो भी आपने पहला ईमेल आईडी दिया होगा वो फीड हो चुका होगा, उसको चेंज करने का मौका मिलेगा, ठीक है, जब भी आपका कोऑर्डिनेटर आपको कांटेक्ट करेगा। क्लियर? दूसरी बात है, आपका जो क्लासेस होंगी वो ऑनलाइन, उसके लिए आप लोगों के पास आपको अपने मतलब मोबाइल फोन पे या लैपटॉप पे, इन सब पे आप अटेंड कर सकते हो, क्योंकि अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ही चलेगी, आप सबको पता है। और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चलने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लोग अपने मतलब पढ़ाई ठीक से मत करो या फिर नोट्स मत बनाओ, सब कुछ आपको बनाना है। यहाँ पे आपको जैसे बुक्स के लिए बहुत ज्यादा फ्रिक्वेंटली स्टूडेंट पूछ रहे थे, स्टूडेंट्स ने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया आपको। जो भी रिस्पेक्टिव टीचर्स होंगे वही आपको बुक्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे, ठीक है। और जितने भी मतलब नोट्स मिलते हैं क्लास के, वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। और प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर, ये सब कुछ सारा जो भी आपका रिस्पेक्टिव टीचर होगा वही उससे डील करेगा। तो आपको अभी टाइम टेबल में दिखा दिया गया था, ठीक है। टाइम टेबल में आपको फॉरवर्ड भी करूंगी, जिसमें आपके टीचर्स के नाम होंगे और उसमें उनका कांटेक्ट नंबर भी होंगे और उनके ईमेल आईडी भी होंगे। और बेसिकली टीचर्स आपको खुद ही कांटेक्ट करेंगे, आपको सबको टीचर्स को फोन वोन करना नहीं चालू कर देना है कि अगर आपको मतलब कांटेक्ट नंबर मिल गया है तो। ये क्लियर है सबको? यस
Yes, ma'am.
दिख रही है ना? ठीक है। तो आपको जैसे ये फिजिकल साइंस का यहाँ पे मैंने ये पेपर, ये आपको सिलेबस अलग अलग देखना पड़ेगा, और ये मैं आपको फॉरवर्ड भी कर दूंगी। ये आपके पास देखो केमिस्ट्री के पेपर इसमें नजर आ रहे होंगे। फर्स्ट है आपका कोर पेपर एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर बॉन्डिंग, जनरल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री एंड एलिफेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स। ये इस बार इस सेमेस्टर में आएगा, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में आप पढ़ोगे केमिकल एनर्जेटिक इक्विलिब्रिया एंड फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। सिमिलरली थर्ड में ये, फोर्थ में ये। तो ये आपके 4 कोर पेपर, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है, इसमें कोई चेंज मतलब इसमें कोई चॉइस नहीं है। आर यू गेटिंग मी गर्ल्स? ये 4 पेपर पढ़ने हैं। तो और ये हर एक सेमेस्टर में एक एक बार आ जाएंगे, जो मैंने अभी बताया कि हर बार एक सेमेस्टर में आपके पास एक केमिस्ट्री का पेपर आएगा, सिमिलरली फिजिक्स का आएगा और सिमिलरली मैथ्स का भी आता है। इसके बाद आप आगे देखोगे तो आपके पास डीएससी पेपर्स आएंगे। डीएससी पेपर्स में आपको ऑफर किए जाएंगे और आपको सिलेक्ट करना होगा। हमारे कॉलेज में जो है ये वाला, हमारे कॉलेज में मतलब ये डीएससी पेपर्स में ये केमिस्ट्री के ये 2 पेपर्स आपको पढ़ने होते हैं, जिसमें कि बेसिकली एक जो पेपर है केमिस्ट्री ऑफ डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, क्वांटम केमिस्ट्री एंड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, ये आपका कंपल्सरी पेपर है, ठीक है। या तो ये सेमेस्टर 5 में आता है और या तो सेमेस्टर 6 में आता है, बट हमारे यहाँ पे अभी ये सेमेस्टर, एक सेकंड, कौन सा सेमेस्टर में चल रहा है, ठीक है, इट इज इन 5, ठीक है। तो ये आपको 5th सेमेस्टर में मिलेगा आपको यहाँ पे। इज इट क्लियर? समझ में आया? 5th सेमेस्टर में पेपर आएगा, और बाकी रेस्ट जो नेक्स्ट पेपर है, क्योंकि 2 डीएससी पेपर पढ़ने हैं, ठीक है, डीएससी इज डिसिप्लिन स्पेसिफिक इलेक्टिव पेपर। तो 2 पेपर आपको डीएससी के केमिस्ट्री के पढ़ने होंगे, तो एक पेपर तो आपका कंपल्सरी हो गया। दूसरा, इनमें से जो पेपर्स हैं जो आपको फ्लोट होते हैं, जो डिपार्टमेंट देता है पेपर, आप उसमें से एक पेपर आप पढ़ सकते हो। ठीक है, जैसे आपको यहाँ पे इतने सारे पेपर के, इनमें से आपको चूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो डिपार्टमेंट है वो खुद ही फ्लोट करेगा पेपर और उसमें से आपको सिलेक्ट करना होगा। तो इतना ज्यादा कुछ टेंशन आपको लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, डिपार्टमेंट खुद ही बताएगा कि हम लोग इस बार कौन सा पेपर फ्लोट कर रहे हैं। तो मैं इसमें से बता देती हूँ, ये कभी फ्लोट नहीं हुआ है फिजिकल साइंस के लिए। एनालिटिकल मेथड्स इन केमिस्ट्री हो सकता है, ये भी नहीं हुआ है। मॉलिक्यूलर मॉडलिंग ये नहीं होगा कभी भी। नोवल इनऑर्गेनिक सॉलिड्स नहीं होगा। पॉलीमर फिजिकल साइंस के लिए नहीं हुआ है कभी। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से मतलब पेपर है, दिस इज वन ऑफ द, ये एक पेपर है जो होता है मोस्टली ऑर्गेनो मेटालिक बायो इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, पॉलीन्यूक्लियर हाइड्रोकार्बन एंड यूवी आईआर स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी। तो ये दोनों पेपर आप एक बार देख लो, डीएससी 11 एंड डीएससी 12। तो मोस्टली ये दोनों पेपर आपके डीएससी में आते हैं। ठीक है, तो 6 पेपर मैंने केमिस्ट्री क्लियर किए। इसी तरीके से आपके मैथ्स में भी है। मैथ्स में आपको इस पिक्चर्स, इससे देखो समझो, तो 4 पेपर तो आपके वो हो गए जो मैंने अभी जैसे बताया आपको, कोर पेपर। ठीक है, मैथ्स के। उसके बाद आपके डीएससी पेपर्स आएंगे। ये सेमेस्टर 5 और 6 में ही आते हैं हमेशा डीएससी पेपर, तो आपके 3rd ईयर में आएंगे। तब तक आप बहुत ज्यादा समझदार हो गए, वो खुद ही समझ पाओगे इस बात को। यस, सेट पेपर फ्लोट करता है ईच एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट। ठीक है, मैथ्स भी करेगा, केमिस्ट्री भी करेगा और फिजिक्स भी करेगा, तो उसमें से आपको चूज करना होता है। ओके, तो सेट पेपर ये इस तरह से फ्लोट होंगे, कुछ कंपल्सरी होंगे, कुछ चॉइसेस होंगी कि आप या तो ये अटेंड कर लो या तो दूसरा अटेंड कर लो। ठीक है, तो ये वाला भी आपको उस टाइम पे अच्छे से दोबारा समझाया जाएगा। अभी मैं बस थोड़ा सा ऊपर से बता रही हूँ आपको कि ये आपको इस तरह से ध्यान रखना है। तो देखो 4 सेमेस्टर, फर्स्ट ईयर में तो कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जो सेक आएगा या डीएससी आएगा, और 1 साल होते होते आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से समझदार हो गए होंगे, तो अच्छे से समझ सकते हो कि 3rd और 4th सेमेस्टर में मेरे पास कुछ सेट पेपर भी आने वाले हैं। और लास्ट सेमेस्टर में मैंने आपको बता दिया 5th 6th में आपके पास डीएससी पेपर आएंगे, उन्हें डीएससी पेपर्स बोलते हैं, कोर पेपर्स नहीं बोलते। एवरी डिपार्टमेंट अपने 2 डीएससी पेपर फ्लोट करेगा, एक 5th सेमेस्टर में और एक 6th सेमेस्टर में। ओके, सो आई विल सेंड यू दिस सिलेबस, बट नॉट मतलब बेसिकली इसके लिए डायरेक्ट नहीं चले जाना है, जो भी आपको टीचर्स पढ़ाएंगे आप उनसे कंफर्म करोगे सिलेबस। ठीक है, तो आई एम डन। इफ यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग यू कैन आस्क। Girls, Dr. Taruna from chemistry department is here and Dr. Vandana is also here from physics department. Vandana ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yes, very warm welcome to all of you. I am Dr. Vandana from physics department, and we look forward to meet you all in person also. And I hope that you will be meeting new friends soon. And yeah, good afternoon. You will be meeting new friends and you will be having new opportunities. So I think you are going to exploit all of that in a very positive manner and in your best way. Yeah, good afternoon. And in this case, we would say that adopt a balanced approach in academics as well as all the other opportunities you get where you have a chance to expose your talent, your whatsoever skills you have. So there are different clubs you can join in, and the society, which is Zenith, will be also give you ample opportunities to showcase your talent. So looking forward to meet all of you, and with that, best wishes to all of you.
Dr. Taruna.
Yeah. Welcome, dear students. Myself, Dr. Taruna Singh. I will take your chemistry theory as well as practical classes. I hope you all will have a great time here. All the very best.
So we are the teacher. We are meeting you in the Zenith Society also, and each and every student is a part of the Zenith Society. Okay, irrespective of if you are holding any official post or not. Clear? So अच्छे से स्टूडेंट्स ने आपको यूनियन मेंबर्स ने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि किस तरीके से आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो। कॉलेज की सोसाइटी तो है, उसमें तो आपको पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो अपने अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस, बट जेनिथ जो है वो आपका है और आप लोगों को ही मतलब करना है। जो भी आपको लगता है कि आपको ये इवेंट होना चाहिए, उसमें ये लेक्चर होना चाहिए, यू कैन कम विद द सजेशंस एंड यू कैन फॉलो द ऑनलाइन their magazines are available of Zenith on Gargi website. So you can go and you can read those magazines. So you can see how the students are participating in different events. So you can go for this also. And I think 1 or 2 students were asking if they want to give something for the magazine for this year. So yes, you can give anything which is अगर वो accept होता है तो फिर आपको फिर उसमें further वो आपका publish हो जाएगा. आपका यहाँ पे एक editorial team है, वो सब कुछ information आपको धीरे धीरे मिलती जाएगी. I think this is enough for today.
One thing I want to add, बट आप लोगों को बिल्कुल भी रिलैक्स होके करना है. ऑनलाइन है तो घबराना नहीं है कि टीचर से हम मिल नहीं पा रहे, कांटेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा. कोई भी क्वेरी है आप अपने सीआर के थ्रू या पर्सनली भी, टीचर्स के नंबर भी आपको दिए जाएंगे हर टीचर के. मैथ्स के लिए आपने किसी ने पूछा, अभी मैथ्स टीचर शायद अवेलेबल नहीं है यहाँ, तो जैसे ही हमें लगेगा या तुम्हारी क्लासेस होगी तो तुम खुद इंटरेक्ट कर पाओगे.
उन्होंने अपना मैसेज भिजवाया है, अपना फोन नंबर और ईमेल आईडी दिया है, मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी.
हाँ
ओके, डॉक्टर मनप्रीत है वो, डॉक्टर मनप्रीत कौर.
एंजॉय करो, और जैसा आप लोग बोल रहे थे अपने सीनियर्स के लिए, तो आप भी उसी तरह बन जाओगे इन 3 सालों में. उस तरह से आपकी ग्रूमिंग होगी. ठीक है, होप कि आप सारी चीजें समझ पाए जो मैम ने आपको एक्सप्लेन की है अभी, मंजू मैम ने. कोई क्वेरी है तो पूछ लीजिएगा. ठीक है बेटा, ओके.
और हम लोग सारा टाइम अवेलेबल हैं, आप लोग कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो हमें. ठीक है, ऑड आवर्स में फोन मत करना, मैसेज करना सिर्फ. ठीक है, थैंक यू.